So there's this really awesome method to make money online. It's really easy to do. If you're interested in making quick money online, this video is for you. Make sure you watch the video all the way to the end, because I'm going to show you a mind-blowing trick that can help you to make a lot of money online very quickly. This is absolutely free. Don't worry about paying for anything, and it's available worldwide. So if you're in America or South America or Africa, Asia, Europe, Australia, you can all get access to this opportunity right now. You can decide to do this on your phone or on your computer. It doesn't matter. It's up to you. Now, before I show you this awesome strategy, please subscribe to the AD Money channel right now. Just click that subscribe button. It's absolutely free to subscribe. You don't pay any money to subscribe. Just click that red button and subscribe, and turn on the post notification bell. Click that bell, which means that every time I upload a new video, you will get a notification. So what you want to do, you want to go onto a website called afplus.com. Now, before you try this out by yourself, just make sure you watch the video all the way to the end so you know what you're doing. afplus.com, when you're over here, it's going to look a little bit confusing. You're going to see all sorts of things over here, and it's going to look very confusing. Now, don't stress too much. All you want to do is you want to see over here, there's trending. So it's going to show you the 10 things that are working right now, which means that these are the 10 best ways to actually make money on this website. The first one is dating, money in hours, CPI, free trial, weight loss, CPA, Metica, game, skin, S&P, Keto Boost, Foursquare. Okay, let's not get too confused. Let's get straight to the point. What you want to do, you want to click on weight loss. From my experience, what I know is that weight loss is doing really well, and money in hours is doing extremely well. CPI is doing well as well. But for this example, we want to go onto weight loss. So when you click on weight loss, basically what is actually happening is that people have a lot of different products, different things that they want to sell. So all you want to do is you want to promote that link, and this is the amount that you get paid for each and every item over here. You have $8, $11, $102, $7. Here you have 85. No, this isn't $7, this is 7%. Okay, here is $85, we have $93, $93, $79, $93. So these are actually products that actually are profitable. You get reasonable amounts of money. So what you want to do, let's take for example this one. We will get $93. So you're going to come over here. As you can see, basically you get a standard payout of $93. So what you want to do is that go onto a website called Linktree. Linktree is basically a platform where you can combine links into one place, and when you send your link, on that link it's going to have different kinds of links. So before I get you all confused, I'll show you an example over here. We have Selena Gomez. So when we click on that, you'll see over here we have an example of Selena Gomez. Her link tree is over here. So basically there's a link to her Rare Beauty, there's a link to listen to her song, there's a link to watch her video, there's a link to something else, there's a link to her shop. So it's all in one place. So different links all in one place. So you've combined different links and you've put it on one link with Linktree. So basically, as you can see, so if we click on maybe watch the ice cream official video, when you click on that, it's going to take you straight onto YouTube, onto her video over here. So if you decide to click on something else, maybe her shop, if you click on her shop, it will decide to take you to her shop over here. So as you can see, you get the picture of what I'm talking about. so you can click on different kinds of things and get to different places, different links. So if you want to take, for example, this guy as well, if we click on this guy, let's see what happens here. So you can see that here he has all his stuff all in one place, his iTunes, his Spotify, SoundCloud. So it's a great way to promote things whereby if you send one link to somebody, the person has access to everything that you do, every single thing that you have. So if, for example, we want to promote a product, if we send forth one link, there can be so many different products that we can actually combine all together, and we can make a lot of money from just sending one link to one person. Imagine when we send the link to different people, when they click on the link, they're going to get so many different products that we're going to put over here. Now I'm going to show you what you will need to do. So basically what you want to do is you want to sign up for a free account. It's absolutely free. Put in your email, your username, your password, repeat your password and click register. Then over here you're going to see this option. Don't worry, we're not going to pay for everything. The free version is absolutely great. It has every single feature that you need actually. So click on continue with free, and basically you'll get an account. It's absolutely free. So what you want to do, you'll see over here, you want to click on, here's your link. So basically when we go to our product, over here, so this is our product over here. So when we get back onto our link tree, what we want to do is that we want to enter a title. So depending on the product that we do have, keto weight loss formula. So what we want to do is we want to type in maybe best weight loss formula. Then over here we can put the link over there. So now we can decide to find something different. This one, let's see what it is. Keto XP Advanced Weight Loss. Then we can add that as well onto our link. So what you want to do is you want to click add new link. Our title, we'll put in lose weight quickly. Then you want to put in that link over there. So as you can see, this is the first link. Second link, this is the preview of how it will look like. We have our first link over here, the second link over there, and we can decide to add an extra one as well. So let's see over here. Diet and weight loss. Okay, so what we want to do is let's type in great diet. Great diet to try. Then we want to put in our affiliate link over there. So now that it's all on, you can see a preview of everything over here. So that's basically how you want to do it. Then this over here will be our main link. This will be our main link that we will use. So when we share this link, as soon as we share this link, then that's when the customer will click on that, and then they can get access to all the different products, and we're going to make a lot of money. We're going to make all these amounts. So There are different products that you can have, and you can create a link tree with so many different products in one page. You can put 6, 7, it's all up to you. So now what do we do with all this? When you go onto Twitter, if you don't have a Twitter account, just create a Twitter account. It's absolutely free to do. So you want to type in over here how to lose weight. So when we type in how to lose weight, we're going to see it's going to filter and show us different kinds of people that are interested in that and different pages. So maybe we have this page over here, very interesting. All you want to do is maybe just you want to send them a message, you want to comment on any weight loss post that they've made. So for example, you can decide to follow them, and you can decide to see a different a post that they've made. So you just want to look at what they're doing and then find a nice place that you can actually just decide to comment. So for example, let's find something about weight loss that they've posted. Okay, weight loss over here. You can see this is something got to do with weight loss. What you'll do is then you go into your link tree and then make sure that you copy this link over here. Then you go back here. Type in best formulas or best formula to lose weight. They are absolutely awesome with effective results. So you put your link over there. So when they click on that link, then it's going to take them over here. Then they can decide to click on it. And then there's so many options that they can choose from. And you're going to make different amounts of money. Sometimes $110, sometimes $84. It all depends on what actually you want to provide to them. $105. And you can post this all over Twitter, and trust me, there's so many people who are interested in weight loss. You don't only have to focus on weight loss, you can find different products that you might think that people need. But for what I have noticed, this is what is really working right now from this website. So try it out, let me know how it works for you. I hope it helps you, I hope it makes sense. If you have any questions, please comment your questions down below in the comment section. Subscribe to the AD Money channel right now. Just click that red button, it's absolutely free. And please like the video and turn on the post notification bell. And please go onto my playlist. I have a playlist that can help you to make more money online. So just keep watching my videos and combine all the methods together, and let me know how it works for you. Thank you so much for watching, and cheers.